We will now have a look at the marking criteria for the long question. So marking is based on the originality of your understanding of Peplink products and technology. In the case of plagiarism of an answer, including any direct content of copying from the Peplink forum, Peplink website, or previous submitted answers, you'll receive 0 marks in this section. Please note that the marking of the long questions will take place within a week of you sitting the exam. We've established a panel of examiners who will be assigned the answers anonymously, so they will not know whose answer they are marking. Each question will be marked by one examiner, and then they will be reviewed by another examiner before the marks are released. So this is our marking range. We expect most of our existing partners to be in at least the good range, if not excellent or outstanding. Let's start out at the top with the outstanding. What we're after is an exceptional understanding of the complete technical ecosystem on board. So we want you to explain in detail and depth all the implications that can affect the install and the reasoning behind every decision that you've made of what you've specified for that particular install. So we expect you to use technical vocabulary where appropriate. So one of the key things that we're looking for is your ability to see beyond the question. So we want you to prove to us that you've thought about everything to do with that particular situation. So the next 2 levels we have are excellent and good. So this marking criteria of 85 points or whatever you get in the long question, that's valid for half of the total marks in the exam. So the next levels we have are average and fail. So from fail and below, so 60 points and below, you'll fail and receive 0, fail that section. So poor, very poor and disqualified, these, we don't want to see a lot of people in this area. So if we see answers that are obviously copy and pasted with either material from our website or from other answers that have been submitted, they will be disqualified.